It's a great day at Wolfe GMC Buick. We're conveniently located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Road in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. Today we're looking at the 2023 GMC Sierra 3500 AT4 HD. We're going to start by taking a look inside the front of the AT4. The driver's door has power door locks, a programmable memory seat for up to 2 drivers, power windows, power folding and power extending side mirrors, the child lock button, door storage with a cup holder, and a premium Bose sound system. To the left of the steering wheel, you'll find trailer mode. By turning this dial to the right, we have various drive modes appear on the dash. 2-wheel drive and 4-wheel drive, some lighting controls and dials including automatic headlamps with an electric park brake down below. The floor mats on the floor have a removable carpeted insert, a power adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support, jet black leather interior with Kalahari seat inserts, AT4 embroidery in both headrests with a power sunroof overhead. Next, I'm going to climb in and we'll take a look at the leather-wrapped heated steering wheel, the left side having our cruise control buttons with forward collision alert, and on the right side are the audio and Bluetooth controls. This is our driver information center. We're able to cycle through the dash using the arrow buttons found on the steering wheel. Overhead, a programmable garage door opener, power sunroof buttons, rear window slider button, and OnStar. This is GMC's infotainment center equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This touchscreen displays the outside temperature, the time. It's also equipped with navigation. Those shortcut buttons are just down below there in the bottom left. Wi-Fi capabilities, the trailering app, and this screen doubles as our backup camera. HD surround vision allows us to change that camera view by simply pushing those buttons there at the bottom of the screen. The hard buttons for the infotainment screen are just down below. Dual zone climate control buttons with air conditioning, the exhaust brake, lane departure warning, park assist, tailgate release, hazard lights, traction control, hill descent control, the integrated trailer brake controller, some USB ports and power plug-ins. This is our wireless charging pad. Simply place your phone on the charging pad and it will charge your phone for you. Dual cup holders, and last we'll take a peek in the center console where you'll find some additional USB ports, LED lighting, and plenty of storage space. Starting at the front of the AT4, we have those red tow hooks, fog lights, signature C-shaped LED headlamps, 20-inch alloy wheels, a 6.6-liter Duramax turbo diesel engine under the hood. The side mirrors have side blind zone alert as well as the integrated turn signal indicator, black mirror caps and door handles, AT4 HD hard badging, rear tinted windows, keyless entry, keyless start and remote start, a box side step, the rear window slider, and making our way toward the back, you'll notice the CornerStep bumper. Those corner steps can be found on either side of the bumper for quick and easy access to the box of the truck. This truck has GM's easy lift and lower tailgate. I'm going to use our key fob, push the button twice to drop the tailgate down. It also has GMC's 6-way MultiPro tailgate. By pushing 2 additional buttons, we drop that tailgate step down with ease. This truck also has GMC's MultiPro tailgate step lights. The box of the truck has a spring-in box liner with the AT4 logo, the Gooseneck 5th wheel package, 12 cargo hooks, LED box lighting, and a power plug-in. Next, we'll be taking a look inside the back of this 5-passenger truck. Our passenger door has power windows, door storage with a cup holder, and a door speaker. The backs of both front seats have got leather seat pockets, dual cup holders, heated rear outboard seats, USB ports and plug-ins. The floor mats on the floor have a removable carpeted insert. Our middle seat folds down into dual cup holders or an armrest. Behind the seat storage can be found behind either one of those rear seats, as well as an under-seat storage compartment accessible by lifting those rear seats up. So come take a look at the 2023 GMC Sierra 3500 AT4 HD, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at wolfegmcbuick.com.